All right, so there was this year, siguro 2 or 3 years ago, where the word of the year was empath. I'm an empath. I can listen to you if you have problems. If you're anxious, you have anxiety. I'm an empath. Ganyan. It's great, diba? It's good that you learn how to also feel what other people feel. But there's also the dark empaths, and I'm gonna take you down. I'm gonna take you through all these um, ways to determine what a dark empath is and how to spot them. Okay. So first, they are extremely, extremely charming. Ang galing-galing nila. I mean, the first time na makita mo sila sa room, parang you're immediately attracted to them. Ang ano nila, parang meron silang, alam mo, yun, parang sila yung sunshine na pumasok sa buhay ninyo. So, ganun sila. But they also know that, and they're using it as a tool para, one way or another, kapag, natripan ka nila or something, pwede nila magamit yon as an emotional manipulation tactic. Kasi di ba, you're already attracted, so nahook ka na nila. Number two, they play the victim. Magaling sila dito eh. So yung magpapaawa sila na parang sila pa yung, ako dito yung, I'm the one losing here in this end. Hindi yung ibang tao, sila yung nang-aapi sa akin. Okay? They know how to play that, and they know how to twist a certain situation. They are highly, highly observant. They see all your, yung mga little quirks. And at one point, you would think na siguro napaka thoughtful nila. They know how to make me happy, but they also know how to make you sad because they have been observing you. This one is very much like the first one. They have a magnetizing aura. As in talagang sobrang attractive sila. They know that if they use their attractiveness, they will be able to, get your favor towards something. Kapag alam nila na parang kaya ka na lang i-hook, they know that they can sell you something, pwede ka nilang mabudol. Okay? So those are yung mga ibang traits ng dark empaths. Lastly, they lack genuine empathy. They are using yung being able to know what you feel, being able to understand what you feel for their own benefit. Okay? Kasi alam nila yung kilitinin nyo, and they know how to use it to puppet you. So those are the signs, those are the 5 signs on how you can spot a dark empath. Do you have do you know someone na naging ganun rin sa buhay ninyo? Comment below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay? Ingat kayo guys. Bye!